I'm relearning walking, and so I lost my center of gravity. I'm having to retrain my brain to know where my center is.
She loves gardening, and so she had like that sparkle in her eye about it. We were working a lot on her standing balance.
One more sunflower? Yeah, we're gonna find the perfect one.
For her in particular, being able to stand out there with her walker and do something that she likes to do, she was able to maintain her balance better.
Cute little ones.
If you look at it from a neuro point of view, if you enjoy gardening and you want to do those things, you're going to have more connection in your brain and get better more quickly.
Oh, it has helped my confidence quite a bit. Yes, and there are some other patients in there who enjoy, you know, handling the flowers, but aren't ready yet to like come out to the garden.
And then we're able to bring the flowers up and create these little bouquets. These plants started from a seed. And so when you look at the symbolism with sometimes our patients here when they start from nothing and then it turns into this, it's like, you're like, wow, like you did all this rehab and now you went back home and you are able to get back to your life, and it's amazing.
It's life out here. It's just existence inside. Life is outside.